Welcome back to iHeartFoodie. Today we're making a classic comfort food favorite, turkey Salisbury steak with mushroom gravy and mashed potatoes. This recipe is hearty, cozy, and perfect for a weeknight dinner when you want something filling but still lighter than traditional beef Salisbury steak. Let's get started. For the turkey patties, you'll need ground turkey, breadcrumbs, an egg, milk, Worcestershire sauce, and a few simple seasonings. For the mushroom gravy, we're using butter, onions, mushrooms, flour, and broth to create a rich, savory sauce. And of course, no Salisbury steak is complete without creamy mashed potatoes, just potatoes, butter, milk, salt, and pepper. All ingredient measurements are listed in the description below. Step 1. Make the mashed potatoes. Start by peeling and cutting your potatoes into even chunks. Place them in a pot of salted water and bring to a boil. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, until the potatoes are fork tender. Drain them well, then mash with butter and warm milk until smooth and creamy. Season with salt and pepper, then cover and set aside to keep warm. Step 2.
Subscribe for more recipes at iHeartFoodie.
In a large bowl, add the ground turkey, breadcrumbs, egg, milk, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix gently. Don't overwork the meat or the patties will be dense. Shape the mixture into oval-shaped patties, just like traditional Salisbury steak. Step 3. Cook the Salisbury steak. Heat a skillet over medium heat with a little olive oil. Add the turkey patties and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, until they're golden brown and cooked through. Once done, remove the patties from the skillet and set them aside. Step 4. Make the mushroom gravy. Using the same skillet, melt butter and add sliced mushrooms and onions. Cook until softened and lightly browned. This builds a lot of flavor. Sprinkle flour over the mushrooms and stir for about a minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Slowly pour in the broth, whisking as you go, until the gravy thickens. Add Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper, and let it simmer until smooth and rich. Step 5. Combine and simmer. Return the turkey patties to the skillet. Spoon the mushroom gravy over the top and let everything simmer together for 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to come together. Plating and serving. Spoon creamy mashed potatoes onto a plate. Top with a turkey Salisbury steak and generously ladle mushroom gravy over everything. This dish is warm, comforting, and perfect for a cozy dinner at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and save this video for later. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer Salisbury steak with turkey or beef? Thanks for watching iHeartFoodie, and I'll see you in the next recipe.